human brotherhood thrown in our faces. But when I came back, and we all came back, and so many of the audience did come back, to my amazement, and listened from the beginning again through to the end of this symphony, I must say that my faith was restored and doubled, not only by this incredible piece of music, which I guess if one had to point to a work that symbolized in itself the essence of the whole Faustian experience of man since the Renaissance, this would be it. But also because of the number of the audience that waited it out and came back and listened to it, terribly moved. Of course, I wouldn't have been so upset if the interruption had come during my talk, but to interrupt Mozart, to interrupt that extraordinary wholeness and continuity, that entity which is this work, was the greatest insult of all. But as I say, my faith was restored. Just to hear it, and just to hear it with those people and through them. So I feel even more confident of what I was trying to say in the beginning than I had when I wrote it. Just a short word now about our subject next time, which will be syntax. Do you remember the